Hi there, and welcome to another Bluebin tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover setting up payroll. To get started, make sure that you are logged in and on the Bluebin dashboard. From the main menu at the top, click on the Payroll button. This will take you to the Payroll dashboard. Then click on Payroll Setup on the left navigation bar. Here you can view your settings and rules for payroll, loans, claims, and leave. In this video, we will focus on setting up payroll. Visit our channel and subscribe to view other tutorial videos like this one. To edit these, scroll down to view the edit button and click on it. We are going to do a quick run through of the payroll setup to cover only a few of the important points. We have located helpful hints next to some of the important fields. Simply hover over the eye and a hint for the field will be shown to you. Let's quickly pause at a few fields that are important when setting up your payroll. Layouts. Here is a quick view of the popular payslip layout choices. Select your preferred layout from the drop-down. If you want your company logo on your payslips, select the Show Logo on Payslip option. If you opt to password protect payslips, the default password will be the employee's ID number. Combine items. This option collects multiple instances of tax code into one line when there is more than one of the same tax code in a payslip. Pay-as-you-earn reference. Your pay-as-you-earn reference number is the number that SARS provided you on your day of registration as an employer. This is important if you intend to use the easy file exports. Unemployment Insurance Fund. Remember that your UIF reference number is required to generate your Department of Labor export file. To enable automatic UIF calculations, you will need to fill in the UIF registration date. Skills Development Levy. SDL is a levy imposed to encourage learning and development in South Africa and is determined by an employer's salary bill. To enable automatic SDL calculations, you will need to fill in the SDL registration date. Standard industry and trade classification codes. Here you state what type of business it is that you run. This information is also used to generate the easy file export. Pay-as-you-earn calculation method. The projected values method will take your current master payslip to calculate the yearly income, whereas historic values method adds together the master payslip and all past payslips to calculate the yearly income. Medical tax credits. The medical rebate reduces the normal tax an employee pays. Select this option if you want to take this into account on a monthly basis. This will affect the pay-as-you-earn calculation. Bonus and once-off payments. You can select to pay tax in the same month as the bonus payment, or divide the once-off tax into equal monthly payments. Click on the next tab to set up some staff loan options. Staff loans. If you allow employees to take loans from the company, you will need to set this up. Quick reminder again to hover over the eye icon on the right for more information concerning the fields. Click on the next tab to set up staff claim options. Staff claims. Simply put, display whether requests for remuneration should be displayed on payslips or not. Click on the next tab to set up leave options for your company. Leave rules. We are quickly going to run through the first few settings. Include leave balances on payslip. Selecting this option would display the leave days available for the employee on their payslip. Leave days automatically expire. If this option is selected, leave days will only accumulate up to the maximum allowed as per the leave rule settings below. Leave days are automatically added. If this option is selected, leave days will be added to an employee's balance after every pay run. If you allow employees to go into a negative leave balance, in other words, you allow them to work back leave days later, remember to select the Employees May Exceed Limit option in the leave rule tables. Likewise, if you require a doctor's note for sick days, tick the doctor's note required option. An employee won't be allowed to take sick leave without uploading a doctor's note. Also note that any unpaid leave will result in a deduction being added to the employee's payslip. This deduction is calculated by dividing the income of the employee by their normal workdays. This was a quick overview of payroll setup. Thank you for watching this Bluebin tutorial. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips. If you have any questions about this tutorial or need any other assistance, feel free to mail us at support@bluebin.co.za.